Good afternoon, dear students. Today we are going to start the chapter Food. Where does it come from? Before starting the chapter, now food is a word, it is a very common word which you all have come across in your day-to-day lives. Why food is so important? Can we live without food? Or is it possible that we can even survive without food for many days? So it is not possible. Food is important for our body. Food not only provides us energy, but it also helps in the growth and development of our body. In this chapter, we are going to read about food and from where does it come from. So we might be having variety of food, but we don't eat everything. Now some of the food items like salad, coffee, tea, sandwich, idli, rice, sambar, vada, dosa, they are all made up of different materials. We say they are made up of ingredients. Now what are ingredients? We can say the things needed to prepare any food item are called its ingredients or materials. When we prepare any food item, whether it is kheer, dal, vegetable curry or any other food item, we require certain materials or certain things to prepare those food items, and those things which are needed to prepare the food items, they are called ingredients. We may need two or more ingredients to prepare food items. Now example, I am giving you a very common example, vegetable curry. Vegetable curry is such a food item that is prepared in everyone's home. Now to prepare vegetable curry, what do we need? What materials we require for preparing vegetable curry? Obviously, we might need one or more types of vegetables. We require oil like mustard oil or refined oil, or we can also use ghee. We require different types of spices like cardamom, then turmeric and others, salt and water. So ghee, different types of vegetables or oil, different spices and water, they are all the ingredients of vegetable curry. Now it is also seen that some ingredients can be common for different food items. What does it mean? That some ingredients might be used in two or more food items. For example, if we talk about vegetable curry and dal, both are very common food item in each households. That is, vegetable curry and dal are prepared in everyone's home. Now vegetable curry and dal, what they do require? They require oil or ghee. They require spices such as chilies, salt, turmeric, etc. So we can say that both the food items, whether vegetable curry or dal, require some common materials to be prepared, and therefore we can say that some food items have common ingredients. Now as you can see here, there is a list of different food items, okay, food ingredients and their sources. Now we have different food items like idli, kheer, pulao and meat. Okay, now when we talk about the first food item, that is idli. Idli, for preparing idli, what are the things needed or what are the ingredients of idli? We can say rice is required for preparing idli, some spices are used, water is used and urad dal is also used. And sources of ingredients, what are the sources of ingredients? We can say rice, spices, urad dal, these are obtained from plants. They are plant products. Similarly, water, from where do we get the water? So either we get the water from the supply, municipality supply, the tap water, or we get it from the river and other places. Similarly, the next food item which we are talking about is kheer. Kheer is also a very delicious food item which you all like because it is sweet and tasty. So what are the ingredients needed for preparing rice? Kheer, we can say rice, milk, sugar, dry fruits. So rice, milk, sugar, dry fruits are the ingredients which are required to make kheer. And from where do these ingredients are obtained? We can say rice is obtained from plant, milk is obtained from animal like cow or buffalo, sugar is obtained from plant, and dry fruits are also obtained from plants. The next food item is pea pulao. Pea pulao also requires certain materials or ingredients. So what are the ingredients of pea pulao? We will say rice, peas, spices, water. So rice, peas, spices and water are the ingredients of pea pulao. Rice is obtained from plant, peas are also obtained from plant, spices are obtained from plant, and water is obtained from river, well or other sources. Similarly, next food item which we are going to talk about is the meat. It is a non-vegetarian food item. So for meat, what do we require? We require the meat or the flesh. We require certain spices. Different spices are used to prepare meat or cook meat, oil or ghee and water. Meat is obtained from the animals like goat, etc. Spices are obtained from plants. Oil or ghee, whether it is mustard oil, refined oil or ghee, they are obtained from plants and animals. Ghee is obtained from animal because it is a dairy product. It is prepared from the milk. And water is obtained from rivers, wells, etc. So these are the different food ingredients that we require for cooking these different food items which we are talking about. Now, when we also talk about the food ingredients obtained from plants, so what are the food ingredients that can be obtained from plants?